Good evening, friends. Welcome to Trade Wrap of 4th of February 2021. Now, first of all, let me request you to share, like, and subscribe our channel. We had another great day of trading, and this is the sixth consecutive profit that we made since last week. Yes, the markets have helped, but has everybody made money? I don't think so. So if you want to make these sort of large winning streaks where capital is almost double the trading capital, you want to be part of the join button, which is now exploding. We have more than 25 to 30 people joining on a daily basis, where you sit with me daily and I take you through my view. And what I have observed is that a major problem is people cannot hold even winning trades. So it's not very simple that you get a call and you are able to make money. The issue is still your psychological makeup is not good. You will not be able to hold. So Platinum is the best place to do that. And then you have diamond, gold, silver, copper. So go to our YouTube channel and explore away and see what suits your profile. The Platinum button has all our services: portfolio, swing, index, day trading, BTST. So if you have questions, WhatsApp 9871066337 or email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL@yahoo.com. Now let's first get started on S&P 500. We had a bit of an inside bar yesterday on S&P 500, and today it is continued on the upside. And like all markets, S&P 500 is likely to make new highs. So that being said, let's see what we did today. And this is our intraday profit. The Bank Nifty opened 400 points down. Now that is our best 5-star setup, because if you have a market which is in a strong uptrend, it gaps down against that uptrend, there is no doubt that you have to buy into this sort of a market. And chances are that once the buying comes back and the shorts cover, you are able to make a large amount of money. So this is our sixth consecutive profit. And to be a part of this, you know where to go. It is the Platinum button. Even on the Nifty, while it didn't gap down, but initially you can see that it had a bit of a decline here and finally recovered and started to move up. So the shorts got trapped here. Again, for tomorrow, the idea is to buy on dip. What kind of dip you will get, that we'll have to see. But the market is in extraordinary momentum. Even a sideways consolidation will qualify as a correction. And right now, the market is bailing you out, even when your setups aren't great. So the idea remains that you just keep buying all dips. This is how the Bank Nifty opened. We bought into this first gap down, and then it went against us 100 points. We held on, and finally it turned, and by I think 1 o'clock somewhere here, we were able to take our profits and sit out. We don't want to put our capital at risk more than it is needed. So everybody gets in with me, gets out with me, and they carry money home on a daily basis. While there is no guarantee that every day this will happen, but if it happens 6 times consecutively, then makes a nice difference to your trading account. Okay, we had carried home TCS. So TCS, basically it opened with a strong gap up, and the first candle kind of came off around 9:45. We made a little bit of money on TCS, but nothing significant. The stock call of the day was Bajaj Finance. This was the BTST trade, and as you can see, we closed at almost the high point of the day. Its target got met. We had another couple of calls, which was Coal India. Again, Coal India met its target around, I think, 12:30, 1 o'clock. We had a nice move in the morning. So Coal India was one of our blockbuster calls for the day. Let me see if I can give you the other call. BPCL was another call. There was a bit of a PSU type day. Okay, so this is your BPCL. Again, you can see around 12 o'clock, it had this sort of spike. Again, not a bad outcome for BPCL. And finally, what we've carried home is Kotak. The Bank Nifty closed at almost the highest point of the day. And you can see Kotak has also closed at the highest point of the day. So very likely it opens with a bit of a flourish, and tomorrow we take profits on Kotak as well. These are great markets, the greatest bull market of our lifetime maybe. There are lots of people, market is very high, we should not enter, etc., etc., etc. Don't enter, the market is not missing you. So, don't try to talk yourself out of the market. This is a market where you participate. When the problem comes, we'll know and we'll make money in that correction also. But to stay out because you are dreaming up some disaster scenario is a very foolish way of looking at markets. So that should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.